Hello guys, welcome to my another tutorial videos. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert your Microsoft Word file to a PDF file or create a new PDF file. It's very easy, but as I have received this question very much, I decided to create this tutorial and share with you. First of all, we open our Word project. For example, here I have a project for my resume and I have completed this file. I want to have this Word file like a PDF and as a PDF file. What should I do? It's very simple and easy. Just we go to File menu and here select Save As menu, select the folder that we are going to save it. I give a name, for example test PDF, but it's very important that you be careful here and select save as type PDF, save as type PDF, and press the save button. After saving, automatically your PDF reader program will open your PDF file that recently you have made it. Also, it's very important that you should know that when you install a PDF reader program like Foxit Reader or Adobe PDF Reader, Adobe Acrobat Reader, you can have the option of some add-ons on your Word program, and this option will create here a menu for converting your file to a PDF version. It's very easy and I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Just remember for supporting my channel, subscribe and leave your beautiful comments. Thank you.